Today I'm reviewing this electric air duster. It was sent to me by the company so I could give you an honest review. And I've got to say, I'm pretty excited about this one. This little device replaces those endless cans of compressed air, and it's rechargeable, adjustable, and comes with a bunch of useful accessories. One of my favorite features is the adjustable speed. You can dial it up for stubborn dust or tone it down for delicate surfaces, which makes it super handy. It also comes with brushes and a couple of different heads, which makes it versatile for cleaning keyboards, camera gear, vents, you name it. I tested it out on my laptop when I had it apart to do an upgrade, and it worked great. Plus, check out how powerful it is. I was blowing it next to my laptop on the table, and it literally made the laptop start hovering and moving around the table. I even used it to blow some leaves around outside, and it did that too. There are a ton of situations where this can be helpful. I think that the days of buying cans of compressed air are over for me. So if you're looking for a reusable, eco-friendly way to keep your gear clean, this electric air duster is a fantastic option. I hope this video was helpful. If you would like to buy this product or you would like to learn more, a link is in the description. Thanks for watching.